The co-botic 1900 also comes with a remote control, and in this video we will show you how to use it. The co-botic 1900's remote control has a range of buttons. We will go through them one by one. First, the Start-Stop button. This button has three uses. When the co-botic 1900 is in sleep mode, this button will put it in standby mode. When the co-botic 1900 is in standby mode, this button will make the machine start to clean. And when it's already working, this button will make the co-botic 1900 stop. Then we have the direction buttons. With these buttons, you can control the co-botic 1900's movement manually. Take note that you cannot control the co-botic 1900 when it's actively cleaning. Then, we have the suction power switch button. You can press this button to cycle through different suction modes. We have turbo mode, eco mode, and standard mode. Then we have the buttons for the different cleaning modes. The first mode is auto cleaning mode. When activated, the machine will automatically clean the room and adjust itself according to different floor environments. Then, we have spot cleaning mode. This mode is perfect for areas with concentrated debris. The co-botic 1900 will intensively clean a designated area using a spiral pattern. Then, there is the recall mode. When pressing this button, the co-botic 1900 will return to its starting position. And lastly, there is the edge cleaning mode. In this mode, the co-botic 1900 will start cleaning along corners and edges indoors, along walls, for example. Now you know everything about the remote control and the different cleaning modes of the co-botic 1900.